Today we will take up the concept of hypothesis. Hypothesis part 1. What is the meaning of hypothesis in research? Hypothesis is a proposed explanation for a phenomena. Say for example, you would like to do the research. While doing the research on a particular topic like the impact of COVID-19 on the Indian economy. This is the subject that you have chosen, and this is the statement that you have made for the research purpose. We call it as the tentative statement or hypothesis. So, Merriam and Webster Dictionary defines it as a proposed explanation for a phenomena. Hypothesis is an alternative assumption made in order to draw out and test its logical or empirical consequences. A hypothesis is an assumption, an idea that is proposed for the sake of argument so that it can be tested to see if it might be true. A hypothesis is usually tentative. It's an assumption or suggestion made strictly for the objective of being tested. Hypothesis is a Greek word derived from hypothetentia, meaning to put order. Hypothesis is something not proved but assumed to be true for purpose of argument or further study or investigation. A hypothesis may be precisely defined as a tentative proposition suggested as a solution to a problem or as an explanation of some phenomena. A hypothesis is a conjectural statement of the relation between two or more variables. This is the definition given by Keringer. Hypothesis is formal statement that presents the expected relationship between an independent and dependent variable. So, hypothesis relates to theory, to observation, and observation to theory. Hypotheses are relational propositions. We should know the difference between the hypothesis and hypothesis. If you use the I, it becomes singular. If you use E, it becomes plural. Hypothesis. So, with regard to the hypothesis, a research hypothesis is a tentative statement about the relationship between two or more variables, I said. So, hypothesis is about a phenomena. For a hypothesis to be scientific hypothesis, the scientific method requires that one should be able to test it. Cambridge Dictionary defines it as an idea or explanation for something that is based on known facts but has not yet been proved. A hypothesis is an idea which is suggested as a possible explanation for a particular situation or condition, but which has not yet been proved to be correct. So, a hypothesis is a formal tentative statement to be expected relationship between two or more variables under the study. That's what we define the hypothesis. Let us take certain definitions. For example, Creswell in 1994 has defined hypothesis as hypothesis is a formal statement that presents expected relationship between an independent and dependent variable. According to James E. Gregton, hypothesis is a tentative supposition or provisional guess which seems to be explain the situation under observation. According to John W. Best, it is a shrewd guess or it is an intelligent guess or inference that is formulated and provisionally adopted to explain observed facts or conditions and to guide it further investigation. Take the example given by Sugiyano in 2010. He defines hypothesis as a temporal answer to a problem statement. So, there are different definitions of hypothesis.